the channel. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded anything to YouTube. There's a reason for that. Let me give you guys a quick update on everything. First of all, it's official. I made the big move. I'm officially a resident of the Lone Star state of Texas. That's why I've been super busy with like family stuff. You know, the move, it took a big chunk of my time. I'm actually opening a new business, and I did create a new YouTube channel for the new business. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. It's called Hats Off. Now about the cars. First of all, the Jeep JK has been sold a while back. The motorcycle, the Spider, I sold that too. But there are some big plans for the future to replace both vehicles. So I'm gonna dive right into it. First of all, I replaced the Jeep JK. I'm not gonna tease you guys, I'm just gonna show you what the new vehicle is gonna be. This is what we're working with. This is gonna be my first ever personal truck. I never owned a truck before. This is a 2016 Chevy Colorado V6 engine, LT trim. It's a very nice truck to begin with, but you know me, the things I'm gonna do to this truck, like, just stay tuned. You're gonna be pleasantly surprised. We're gonna do a bunch of upgrades to this truck, but the main theme here is gonna be daily driver. For example, of course, we're gonna do like wheels and tires, but we're not gonna go overboard this time, because I've done the like 4-inch, 6-inch lift kits. I've done the 40, the 37-inch tires. I've been there, done that. So with this truck, it's gonna be my daily, so we're not gonna go overboard. The plan here is, for example, with the tires, we're gonna do like all terrains. At least that's the plan. I'm gonna post a few photos of the truck so you guys can have some reference, like where we started at, how it's gonna end up looking. So I'm almost gonna be upgrading everything on this truck. I saw some guys on YouTube working with this kind of truck, and I like what they did. Probably gonna do a lot of things the same way they did, but I have a couple upgrades that's gonna make this truck stand out and be different than any other truck on YouTube, at least. If you guys follow me, you'd know I do vinyl wrapping for a living, so of course there's gonna be a wrap job down the road. Some of the things I plan to do is like upgrading all the lighting on the truck, front and back, signal lights, gonna switch everything to LEDs, change the tail lights, third brake light, roll bar, nerf bars, side steps, whatever you want to call them, and eliminate almost all the chrome on the truck because it doesn't fit the look I'm going for. The interior is probably going to be left alone. I'm not going to be doing much to the interior. That's about it. Just stick around, make sure you turn on your notifications, and subscribe if you're not, and let's have some fun with this thing. So let's do a quick walk around. I couldn't help myself. I just changed all the light bulbs up front right away, like maybe the second day I had this thing. So these are LEDs with the 6000K bright white, but they're still not the light bulbs I'm gonna be sticking with, because I'm still doing my research, looking for the best product out there. These are the factory tires. I will be doing a leveling kit, not a lift kit. Probably like 2 inches in the back and 2.5 in the front, because I want to maintain some of that arch. You know how these trucks are like a bit lower in the front. I want to maintain some of that. I like that look. We're going to be debadging the whole thing, taking off all the emblems, all the badges. We're going to do a bed cover, probably a soft one, so we can still install like a roll bar over here. Maybe like the matte black fender flares, but not the crazy thick ones, like maybe like the factory ones. I think they're like an inch and a half wide. Side steps black, of course. Like I said, we're gonna debadge the whole thing because of the vinyl job. Chrome here will be wrapped the same color we picked for the body. This is like a trick vinyl wrappers do, so we will make this space here look as wide as possible. And when you actually color match this part here, this trim piece here to the body, this will make your windows look even thinner. I did do a very light tint job on the front windows. We're gonna be replacing the front grille with something black, maybe more aggressive. I have a very nice and subtle idea for the hood. Maybe add like tow hooks to the lower bumper. Yeah, that's about it. So make sure you guys stick around. This one's gonna be a fun project. It's my first ever truck, so we're gonna go all out. Alright?